Hello there. Let's go for another Fibble where every line of it line. Yesterday I couldn't record, so I'm playing its game today. And the starting word is wharf. It sounds kind of funny. Let's almost repeat with wharf. So these can be both true and these can be true. Everything else in these two lines true. So let's suppose these and these are the lines. And the wage, I was thinking hardy, but so how about chairs? Okay, so these two R's can't be both true, so this is true, this is true. This is a lie. This is a lie. This is true. So this is true. Let's suppose this is a lie. Sorry, a supposition. And hope. Okay, so these can't be both true. This is true. This is true. This is true. This is true. Therefore, this is a lie. Let's suppose the O is a lie. Maybe. There's no we. No A, no E. A word. So let's suppose this is a line. Let's try lip it. Okay, this is interesting. A lot of colors. These can't be both true. This is true, but that we already knew. Hmm. Maybe this is a line, this is a line. We should have something like that. A word like that. I don't think so. Well, it's not that well. Try solid. Okay. This is true. This can't be both true. We know for sure there is an L. Let's see. If this were to be a lie, then we need a P. This would be a lie, and we can't have a no. So this is true. Therefore, this is a lie. This is true. This is true. This is true. This is weird. This is a lie. This is true. This is true. This is true. and this is a lie, and this is true. Therefore, we need I something I something D, and I thinking this is an L. I will brute force this. Oh, it could be the L in the second and maybe an N in the fourth position, but let's brute force this. So let's brute force this, but let's start here. Oh, okay. That's a word? I think that, oh, it is a word. So, this is weird. Because this can't be a lie. So what is wrong here? What? Some of my must be wrong. Let's see this again. This can't be both. This can't be both true, and this can't be both true. This is 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 true. This can't be both true. So this is true. This is true. This is a lie. This is true. This is a lie. This is true. These can't be both true. So this is true. This is true. This is true. This is true. This is a lie. This can't be both true. This is true. Well, we already knew this is true. This was true. Yes, these can't be both true. We know for sure there is an L. Or else. These can't be both true, but that does not give us anything. Let's suppose there is only one. This will be a lie, or this will be a lie. Let's suppose this is a lie, and this is a lie, and this is a lie, and this is a lie. Can that work? There is no way. Yeah, there is no way. So this is a lie. This is true. this is true, this is true, this, sorry, this had already marked. So the eye is here. There is only one eye, so this is a lie. This is true, this is true, this is true. This is a lie, this is true, this is true, this is a lie, this is true, this is true, this is true. So I did made a misstep somewhere before, but okay. That's bad because now we only have 3 letters. Blind would work. Okay. Bye for now.